Your right hand is drawing the left hand and left hand is drawing the right hand. And from that apparent scenario, if you take some decision or conclusion that your right hand is drawing the left hand and left hand is drawing the right hand, then your decision or conclusion will be totally wrong. It is the illusion of your understanding. Because beyond, in this drawing, a beyond factor is involved. Apart from hands, a beyond factor is involved in that drawing, which actually drawing, but you cannot understand. This is the illusion of understanding. But if you take your mind to the level of higher consciousness, and if you watch your business or understand your business from that level of higher consciousness, you can experience, you can understand that beyond factor. And then you can put that beyond factor at the back of your business, and phenomenally you can enhance your business. In our higher consciousness activism workshop, we just take your mind and intellect to that level of higher consciousness and make you understand or experience that beyond factor and help you to phenomenally enhance your business. My number is given below. Namaste.